Hi everyone, I am Dr. Maida, a consultant dermatologist. Let's talk about dry skin. Dry skin is a very common question in winters, that why our skin feels very dry despite applying too many moisturizers in winters. The answer is very simple. क्योंकि winters में हमारी skin का barrier naturally damaged होता है. इसके अंदर जो हमारे natural oils produce होते हैं उसकी formation कम हो जाती है और हमारी skin से water loss बहुत frequently हो रहा होता है. Due to which our skin feels dry, irritated and tight. There can be many causes like using too many frequently hot showers, applying too many cleansers. Some people have natural familiar tendencies like atopic dermatitis, and in old age your skin normally loses a lot of natural oil. The treatment is very simple. The moisturizers which you choose should be fragrance free and color free, and they should have ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, petrolatum and glycerin. And if your skin is still feeling dry, irritated, burning or itching, then you should consult your dermatologist.